you need to do is to go over to settings and go over to your profile. Now this is your own personal profile. You can put in your own phone number, which is different from the business phone number, or you can leave it as the business phone number because you are the owner. And now on the working hours, now this is the time you yourself works. Put it in there. Put in the time if you are one of the workers in your shop. Put in the break time, so you can change the break time. When you go, people normally go to break by 12 or 15 minutes break. So do the same thing for all of these on the days you have break and hit. And also go over to time off. If there are days you are time off, you can put in the days you'll be time off, the start, end, and the end of the day. So let's put vacation with family. So you put in that you'll be on vacation with your family and select the date. Let's say on the 28th of March 2024 till the 30th of March. So you won't be around on any of these days. So you can hit save. That is it. So you can also add another time off. Keep doing that over and over and over if it is on a particular day. So let's say let me choose this date, 20th of March. You won't be available all day. So the start time should be like so maybe you have a meeting, you have an appointment, you say I will not be in office from 12 p.m. up till 2:30 p.m. and you add it and you say doctor's appointment. And hit add. So that is it. So login and security is the password, but leave it. And that is all you need to do. And go back and save all of this. Go back, put information about you. I am an experienced hair stylist. Just put in description that fits you, or put your role, hair stylist, and hit save. So that is it. Now you can choose to add any of your social media, any other extra information you need to add, and you'll be done.